To get started, first, press on the extension. Here you'll find many different functions. For example, extract posts. Let's try this function. As you can see, we extracted the post we have. To add more posts, simply scroll down to load more of the page. As you can see, the number increases the further we scroll down. To export this, simply press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension again. Now press Export. There is many different file types you can export. For example, HTML. After exporting your file, simply press on it. As you can see, here is all the posts and the information about the post. Let's try one more function. Let's press on this post. Let's press on the extension again. As you can see, we have more functions available. For example, extract post comments. Let's extract the comments of these posts. After extracting the comments, simply press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension again. Then press Export. Let's choose HTML again. As you can see, here is all the comments and the information about them.